How long will it take for the bank to take my house? I was asked that question today. Hello, I'm bankruptcy attorney Dan Scott, and one of the situations I run into every single day almost is a family about to lose their home. And so they've gotten a notice from the lawyer that's representing the bank about to foreclose, and they're trying to figure out, how long do I have? Well, forget filing bankruptcy for a minute. Let's just talk about how much time you've got. If you receive the notice of foreclosure, and that's what it'll say, notice of foreclosure. If you receive the notice for foreclosure, there'll be a date on that notice that says when the trustee is going to sell your property on the courthouse steps. And that's a hard date. Usually that's a hard date. And so you know that by that date, either you should have filed a bankruptcy case to protect your house. Usually we file Chapter 13s to protect the house. Or maybe you do something different. You get a family member to loan you money, but you do something to cure the default on the house or get bankruptcy intervention so you don't lose the house. Those are hard dates, and you don't often get those things pushed off. So normally you're going to have 21 days from the date of the first publication. But again, the date will be put in that notice. Okay. Now, if you if you don't file a bankruptcy case and the house gets foreclosed, then they still have to get an order of possession on the house, right? I mean, they can't come over there with the truck and haul off your furniture. They will have, whoever the buyer is at the foreclosure will have to file what's called a detainer action, an unlawful detainer action. And they go to the court and say, look, this person has got possession of this house that I bought and I'm entitled to possession. If they file suit on you on day one, you're going to probably get a hearing in 2 weeks to 3 weeks, depending on what county you're in. And then you may get an additional time period, sometimes 2 weeks more when you go to court. So now we're talking about 5 weeks, say. Then once an order of possession, it's called an order of possession, goes down, then it's 10 days from the time the judge says they're entitled to possession before they can get what's called a writ of possession, which is a court order that they can get the sheriff and go over and move you out of that house. So you're talking about 3 weeks, perhaps 5 weeks, and then another 10 days. So you could still be in the house another 45, 60 days, even after the foreclosure. Hope this was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. And if you did, would you go ahead and subscribe to our channel? And that way we can let you know when we post additional videos. We do that all the time. Thanks for watching.